Hi students, second year, first MEC Physics, second semester students. The next topic in electrodynamics class is solution for Laplacian equation in Cartesian coordinates. Let me start. In this class we are discussing next topic, solution for Laplace equation in Cartesian coordinates. Let us take electric potential is a function of x, y, z. So that function can be written as y of x, y, z is equal to capital X of x, capital Y of y, capital Z of z. This is equation 1. This equation represents the solution for Laplace equation in Cartesian coordinates. This equation is solution for Laplace equation in Cartesian coordinates. The potential is substitute in the equation del square V is equal to 0. Del square means dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square. Then dou square by dou x square function x, y, z plus dou square by dou y square function x, y, z plus dou square by dou z square function x, y, z is equal to 0. So after simplification, yz into dou square x by dou x square plus xz into dou square y by dou y square plus xy into dou square z by dou z square is equal to 0. Dividing this equation on both sides by x, y, z, dividing this equation by xyz, then yz into dou square x by dou x square by xyz plus xz into dou square y by dou y square by xyz plus xy into dou square z by dou z square whole by xyz. Yz cancelled, xz cancelled, and xy cancelled. Then 1 by x into dou square x by dou x square plus 1 by y into dou square y by dou y square plus 1 by z into dou square z by dou z square is equal to 0. So this equation is a function of xyz. So then 1 by minus 1 by x, dou square x by dou x square is equal to x term ni LHS RHS move chesam, then plus change into remaining terms are same, dou 1 by y into dou square y by dou y square plus 1 by z into dou square z by dou z square. This is equation 2. So in this equation, this is LHS term is a function of x and RHS LHS is a function of x. So this is a function of y. So 1 by y dou square y by dou y square plus 1 by z into dou square z by dou z square, say half square. From 2 and 3, minus 1 by x into dou square x by dou x square is equal to alpha square. Hence dou square x by dou x square is equal to minus x alpha square dou square x by dou x square plus x alpha square is equal to 0, or alpha square x is equal to 0. This is second order differential equation. The solution of this equation is x is equal to, the solution of this equation is x is equal to, c is arbitrary constant, c alpha into e power, c alpha be a constant, e power plus or minus I e plus or minus I alpha x, equation 4. So from equation 2, 1 by z dou square z by dou z square minus this term is represented by alpha square is equal to minus 1 by y dou square y by dou z square. So let me write 1 by z into dou square z by dou z square minus alpha square is say beta square. So from 5 and 6 minus 1 by y into dou square y by this is dou y square y by dou y square is equal to beta square. So dou square y by dou y square is equal to minus beta square y dou square y by dou y square plus beta square y is equal to 0. Again this is second order differential equation. The solution of this equation is function y of y is equal to c beta, where c beta is arbitrary constant, into e power plus or minus I beta y. Right. From equation 6, the remaining term 1 by z into dou square z by dou z square minus alpha square is equal to beta square. So 1 by z into dou square z by dou z square minus alpha square plus beta square is equal to 0. Dou square z by dou z square 1 by z is equal to alpha square plus beta square into dou square z by dou z square is minus z into alpha square plus beta square into z is equal to 0. So again this is second order again differential equation by the function z. Then the solution of this equation can be written as function z, solution of function z is equal to c3 c alpha c beta like c3 e power plus or minus root over alpha square plus beta square. So from these equations, equation 4, equation 7 and this equation, those are equation 4 is the solution, that is x is equal to c alpha into e power plus or minus I alpha x y of y is equal to c beta e power plus r minus I beta y, and z of z is equal to c3 e power plus r minus root alpha square plus beta square. So these equations, these are the solutions of individual functions. Therefore the solution of this Laplacian equation in Cartesian coordinate v of x y z is equal to c alpha e power plus r minus I alpha x c beta e power plus r minus I beta y c3 e power plus r minus root over alpha square plus beta square into z, beta square into z. This is the solution for the solution of the Laplacian equation in Cartesian coordinates. Okay, thank you.